Hello everybody and welcome back to Yalan app. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you step by step exactly how to book a flight on Emirates. So if this is something that you want to be able to do, well then this video is going to be perfect for you. So what you're going to do firstly, the absolute easiest way to actually book a flight on Emirates is to firstly go into Google and then search for just Emirates as you can see. And then what we're going to do, we're just going to scroll down and then choose this result right here. So click on this result right here, because what will happen now is that it will take us straight to the Emirates website. It's going to also take us straight to the homepage where we can actually start searching our flights. So as you can see right here, so departure airport is where you're going to fly from and then fly to, as you can see. So let's take, for example, just a second, let's take Stockholm actually as an example. I'm just going to take Stockholm. Let's say that I want to be able to fly from Stockholm to, let's say, New Delhi as an example, right? So I want to fly from Stockholm to New Delhi. So now when you have actually chosen this right here, departure, Stockholm, arrival, which is going to be New Delhi, India, and you're going to now click right here where it says passengers, as you can see. So right now, as you can see, everyone that is like 12 or above in age is actually counting as an adult, just so you know. So let's say that it's just me, right? So just one adult, or if you have a child, infant, as you can see, you can just basically adjust this one that fits for your situation, of course. And of course the class, economy class, premium economy, business class, or first class. And of course first class is going to be the most expensive one that they have. It's quite expensive, of course. So yeah, in here departing, as you can see, which date that you want to be able to actually fly. And you can also choose my dates are flexible, as you can see, if you want to, or we can just choose a more specific date. So right now, let's say I want to be able to fly from 9th of September, as you can see, and then I'm going to return in exactly 1 week, so 16 September, and then I'm going to, of course, click on search flights right here. And of course, it's not always going to find flights depending on what kind of airport that you're going to travel from and to. So if it's a small airport, it's maybe not going to find anybody, just so you know. But as you can see, it actually did find some flights, which is great, obviously. So as you can see, Monday, 9th of September, 9th of September 2024, yes. So as you can see from this Stockholm airport to New Delhi's airport right here, I can actually see this right here, this flight. And what you can also do, as you can see, this is the lowest price, as you can see. It starts from 3,700 crowns, which is about almost $400, I think, and business and first class as well, as you can see. So you can just basically you can basically scroll down in here, as you can see, and be able to actually find one flight that suits you the best. And as you can see, it says like this one connection, right? Because as you can see, there's no direct flight as of right now on that specific date. It says that it's actually going to have a connection right here. As you can see, it's going to fly from this Stockholm airport to Dubai, as you can see, and from Dubai it's going to then fly to New Delhi. You can see that this specific flight right here is going to take almost 7 hours, and then from Dubai it's going to take almost 4 hours, and you can see exactly the time as well, just so you know. And let's say that we're going to take this one right here, because this one seems to be the best. It seems to be the one that actually takes the least hours. As you can see, this one right here, this is crazy. It takes more than 1 day to fly, but this one is just 14 hours and 10 minutes, which is also quite a lot, but obviously it's a long distance, so it makes sense. So I'm just going to click on economy. And then as you can see right here, you should also obviously double check everything right here. So this is the lowest price right here, but it doesn't give you like everything that, for example, Flex Plus right here has. Like it, it has a couple of options in here, as you can see. For example, baggage, you can just have 25 kilos on this one right here, 30 kilos on this one, and 35 kilos on this one. But let's say that I want the lowest price here, because yeah, I think it's the best in my opinion. And then I'm going to click right here where it says view summary, of course. So yeah, from Stockholm to New Delhi, everything seems to be correct right here, as you can see. So yeah, it seems to actually work. So I'm just going to click right here where it says continue to passengers. And I'm just going to see your viewing price. If you would like to view, oh, okay. So yeah, this is the price basically, as you can see. So we're now able to view the price. Let's see. So I'm going to have this one right here enabled. Yep, select this one. Continue to passengers. Oh, okay, sorry. Of course, we need to also select the return date as well. I apologize for that. Yeah, this is the return date that I just before, of course, selected. As you can see, Monday, the 16th of September. So we need to also choose this one right here. So this is going to be the return flight. I apologize for that. I, for some reason, overlooked this one. But as you can see, this one right here just takes 13 hours. So I think I will choose this one right here and choose also this one. And then when we're done, we can just click on continue to passengers right here. Just going to load. And perfectly, as you can see, we should now be taken to this page, which is perfect. So now we're going to have title. So for example, I'm a man or I'm a guy. So I'm just going to take Mr. And I'm just going to write testing this. Yeah, if you have a frequent flyer benefits as well, you can fill it out right here, or you can just click on save next, as you can see. And yeah, I'm just going to fill out my country. You need to fill out your mobile number, the email address, and I'm just going to fill this one out as well. Just a second. Let's see if it's going to allow me to actually do this. It looks good. Just going to fill out this as well. And then click on continue, as you can see, continue to options. And yeah, perfectly. As you can see, we should now be taken to this page right here. So this is going to be a couple of upsells on their website, which makes sense. Of course, they want to be able to upsell you to better seats, better benefits, maybe better food in some case. I'm not really 100% sure. They have a lot, as you can see. You can add 5 kilos extra baggage, for example, seat selection and stuff like that. So all of this right here, you can add it as yeah, it's an upgrade basically. It's an upsell. You can always double check. It's very hard for me to answer what is going to be the best for you. Of course, it's going to be personally for you that is watching. It's going to be personal for you. Maybe you want to be able to upgrade in some cases, which you can of course do. Just double check it in here and you can always upgrade, as you can see. Now we can click on choose seats, as you can see. So in here you will be able to choose your seats. So scroll down and you, for example, if you want to be able to sit, I think this is by the window. So if you like to sit by the window, of course you can choose it right here and then click on save selection, as you can see, and the returning flight right here. So let's see. Oh, this was the returning flight. Sorry, this is going to be to the departure. I think I also selected this one right here. Okay, I'm just going to choose this one and save selection, confirm selection. Perfect. As you can see, this is now done. So now you can just check it, this one. You can have a standard travel insurance as well here if you want to, but I'm just going to click on actually continue to payment right here. So just a second. And perfectly in here, you will be able to see exactly your selection right here. You will be able to double check once again what kind of flights that you're going to book, exactly how long it's going to take, what connection, how much it's going to cost, what class, everything basically. Double check everything right here. And then when you're done, you can just actually add your credit or debit card or PayPal. At least this is the options for me. Maybe you're going to have even more options, but for me it's credit or debit card or PayPal. So for example, if we choose this one right here, I will need to fill out my card number, full name, and yeah. Or you can also connect your PayPal in here as well. And then click on pay now. And if everything is okay, you will probably get like a text message to the phone number that you entered. And obviously you will also get your tickets to your email. So that is basically exactly how to book a flight on Emirates.